Hello everyone, I got a treat today. Got this box in from ES52. Been waiting for this for a while and I am so excited. Unfortunately, I've already opened this box and I forgot to hit record. We're still doing an unboxing, but without the box. These are the Nebula playing cards from Kickstarter from ES52. This is the classic Nebula deck, still in the cellophane. Now this one is the purple gilded edge. So I have the purple and the blue. I'm not opening the blue today because I only have one, and I do not want these to be out of the cellophane. They are a part of the new collection, so I'm going to set those off to the side. Now here is the box, and it is signed, which is fantastic. Thank you, Emily, for that. And then I also have the card clip. Comes in this nice plastic container. Here's the clip, black and white. Every moment is a fresh beginning. So this is cool. This is so now my boxes aren't getting messed up in my pocket. Here is the classic deck. I've already opened this. Here's what the back looks like. Here's the deck. I really love how the graphic wraps around only part of the corner, so we still have these white corners here. I really love that. They feel amazing. They slide great. I don't know if it's crushed stock. I don't know if I'm good enough with cards to tell whether or not it is. It feels like, I'd imagine it's crushed stock, but it feels fantastic. I can't get over these colors. The way this looks is wonderful. Let's see. All your numbers. I've been shuffling it already. It's the Joker. Other Joker. I really love the kind of magenta pink and the periwinkle purple kind of colors. The face cards are fantastic as well. Just really love the overall aesthetic of these cards. Double back, always fun. For the crate here, there we go. So what else came in the box was her lovely thank you card and some stickers. So I've got what's on the Joker's telescope. Got a nice spade here, which is great because I do have a sticker collection. ES52 represent, and then just a classic Nebula card here. So those are fantastic. And in the box, a few decks of cards. I am going to be using these a lot. I really love these cards. I've already been playing with them for a while. This is my Gilded Edge deck that I will be opening for us. These are all my backups, my extras. There we go. The camera does not focus well. And then I have one normal deck that is also signed. The signature is under the cellophane as well, which I'm very thankful for that. So this deck and these two, these are going into the collection. These are staying in the cellophane, and these are not to be opened. Here is the infamous gilded deck. I've never had a gilded deck of cards before, so I'm thrilled to open this up. I have no idea how this is gonna feel, how this affects the playing of the cards. I don't know if the gilding is even something that like wears down over time, so that will be an interesting thing to kind of experience. I'm just so excited. Oh, you can look at that reflection of the purple pink. That is so awesome. Oh, that looks like magic. I like that. So it actually gives it a bit of a grip. while I hold it this way. And kind of just feel like I'm holding the cards better. So the gild does give a bit of a texture to the edge, but it is nice. I like it. I like what it's doing. I don't know what else to say, but I am in love with this. I'm glad to have one that I can play with the gild, definitely for special occasions. Do not want to mess these up. But that is my collection now. Actually my second purchase from Emily Slides. I do also have the Elevation decks as well. Really nice cards. They don't handle quite as well as the Nebula. I don't know if that's just me or if they were made differently, but they are beautiful decks of cards. I really love the artwork. They did an amazing job with these, especially having the night and the day version. Here's what the backs look like. I'm not sure if there's some more of these available. They were on Emily's page specifically, whereas the Nebula was the Kickstarter, but that is my start of my collection from Emily Slides 52, and I am so stoked with these cards. That Gilded Edge deck is just, this is hands down my favorite deck, just visually speaking, and obviously because of the gild, I'm obsessed. That is fascinating. Oh, and how that purple just fades into the artwork. I love it. I love it. There's the Nebula deck. If there are any available, if anyone's reselling some, I definitely recommend getting these. The regular deck handles fantastically, and fantastically? Is that a right word? I don't know. But anyway, thanks for checking this out. Thank you, Emily. This is amazing, and I look forward to your next projects.